Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to insert SIM card and memory card in Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 and A9 Plus. So here is my Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and first you need to look for this pin inside the box, and after you find it, just look to the bottom of your tab, because here we have the SIM tray for the SIM card and the memory card, and here there is, I hope you see it. You need to put this pin inside the hole. I hope you see it, and now just push it like this, and now remove the slot. And let's take a closer look to this SIM tray. And here you can put one SIM, and here the memory card. And now let's put the SIM card. You need a nano SIM, and this is the right position. Okay, like this. And now let's put the memory card. This is my memory SD card. And this is the right position, like this. And now let's put it back to the tab. So you need to put this SIM tray, this slot back, and you need to be a little careful and just push it. And now I'm back, and as you can see, now here in the top I have a signal. And to see the memory card, just go to the Samsung files, and here there is my memory SD card. So everything is fine. And now to remove the SIM card and the memory card, again put this pin inside the hole like this, push it, remove the slot, and put it back. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.